Lamis Detergent Company. We have been started here in Jordan before 10 years in 2012. But this job, Lamis Company, started by my father before 52 years in 1960. We have three brands, Lamis, Turi, and Roxol. We produce home care and personal care products. Our team is around 500 employees. We are exporting to around almost 18 countries. We are doing our best to deliver to the end consumer the best quality with the best value.
SAP Business One helping us to do things where it's not possible before, such as integration with other portals like cash van system, like warehouse management system also. Monthly closing is easier, tax report and financial statements and reports is also easier, and it will be ready anytime and you can access it from anywhere.
SAP Business One is the biggest ERP system in the world, allowing us monitoring our operating and meeting our needs on the time. This has strongly improved all processes in the business.
SkyTech is a very professional company. They provided us a high-level support and professionality.
SkyTech is a partner for life.
We recommended all the company to implement SAP Business One and invest in this ERP.
We are proud about our team in Lamis Detergent, and we feel like our future goals will be easier and achieved much better with SkyTech and SAP.